this is your channel SOSA NASA 1 in English. My name is Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter to test this capacitor. This is a water pump capacitor, and now we are going to test this capacitor for know if it's working correctly or not using this digital multimeter. This is very easy. Here, the black test probe here, and the red test probe here. Now, the next step is choose here the mode to measure microfarads. That is the unit to know the internal condition of this capacitor. This is very easy. Choose the mode moving this selector and put here. Now we have different modes inside this mode. For choose one of them, press select. Continuity, auto nanofarads. The size of the numbers of micro or nanofarads is automatically in this case. Now our digital multimeter is ready. The next step is very important. Discharge this capacitor. How we do that? Very easy. Take one test probe and touch this and this with this part. This is for discharge the capacitor. Touch in this way. Discharge. Now, okay. Now is safe touch these points with my finger, because this capacitor doesn't have energy inside. Now you can subscribe to our channel SOSA NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell. Give me a like. Let's continue. The next step is take the test probe and touch this capacitor in this way. Touch here, one, and touch the other here. And watch on the multimeter screen. In this case, this capacitor has 9.56 microfarads. It means this capacitor is good. How I know? Very easy. If we read here on the capacitor 10 microfarad, more or less 5%. This is the mistake percent. But the important number here is 10 microfarads. If I touch here and touch here, and I watch on the multimeter screen, it means this capacitor is in good condition in this case, because 9.53 is a number that is very near of 10 microfarads. It's almost 10 microfarads. It means this capacitor is working correctly. Now we are watching this capacitor very nice. Outside, we can think that this capacitor is working correctly, but this capacitor could be bad, but from outside we can't see it. For this reason, we need to test this capacitor using a digital multimeter like this for know if this capacitor is working or not correctly. In this case, this capacitor is good, is working correctly. Now, turn off the digital multimeter. Ready. And in this way, you can test this capacitor. This is your channel, SNT810 in English. Share this video, give me a like, and now I have very important message for you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel SNT810 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.